Mr. G's class, online learning, school closure, let's go. This is Mr. G's class. I said it's Mr. G's class. I said it's Mr. G's class. I'm online. This is Mr. G's class. I said it's Mr. G's class. This is Mr. G's class. 1, 2. I'm online. Yeah, I'm online. Yeah. Grab your pencil and pen. Now let's begin. Got the lessons online, time to learn again. Try your best, complete the work, the best that you can. As I come up with great original lesson plans, I'm keeping you busy like bees in a hive. Lesson plans on the hard drive, kicking it live. We're gonna do math and English most of the time, but trust me, we'll have fun like me saying this rhyme. Good morning, everyone. Welcome to day 4 of online learning. Today, what we're going to be doing is we're going to be learning how to draw 3D shapes on a paper. The first time I saw a 3D shape being drawn was in grade 2 when my buddy, Michael Parent, was called to the front of the class to draw a cube. It was one of the most amazing things I had ever seen in grade 2. So today, what we're going to be doing is we're going to be drawing different 3D shapes. I'm going to show you how to do a couple examples, and then the assignment today will be to draw a few other 3D shapes. Okay, so let's get started. The first shape I want to draw as an example is a square-based prism. So here's your square-based prism, and I'm going to show you exactly how to draw that. So what you want to do is you want to start off by drawing the two faces that are the base and the top, okay? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw one square base, and what I want to do is I want to draw another square that is congruent to the base, and congruent meaning equal in size and shape. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to just use my computer to copy and paste another one that is congruent. You can do this at home as well. So for this assignment, if you want to draw it on a paper, you can. If you want to use a drawing program such as Windows Paint, you can do that as well. It's actually easier, I think, once you get used to drawing with a computer. So I've drawn my two faces here that are the base and the top of the shape. And what I want to do right now is I want to connect the vertices. Okay, so what I want to do is I want to connect, for example, the top left to the top left here. And you have to be precise with your drawing. That's what makes the shape look neat and a level 4. So top left corner to top left corner. And you do the same for all the different points. So top right corner to top right corner, bottom right corner to bottom right corner, and bottom left corner to bottom left corner. And there you have it. There you have your 3D shape. So this is your square-based prism. So what you want to do now, well, let me show you another way of doing it. It doesn't really matter which way you draw it. You can, let me show you what I mean here. So if you drew a base here, for example, and you wanted to stick your top over here somewhere, you can do that as well. And then you would just connect the points in the same way. So top left to top left, top right to top right, and bottom left to bottom left, and bottom right to bottom right. And there you have it. There's your 3-dimensional shape. Okay, so the next thing I want to show you how to do is how to draw a pyramid. So today I'm going to use a hexagon as an example. So your hexagon-based pyramid. And I'm going to show you how to do that right now. So what you want to do is you want to start off by drawing your base. All right, where's my hexagon? There it is. Okay, so you want to draw your hexagon base. There's my hexagon base. Now, the next thing you want to do is you want to draw a point where it will meet at the top. All the edges will meet at the top vertex there. So what you should do is draw just a little point somewhere. I like to draw it up and to the right. I'm going to draw it right here. And then what you want to do is you want to connect all of these different vertices down here to this point right here. Okay, so let me do that right now. I'll start with this one, very top vertice here, and I connect it to the vertice. Now I'm using a computer program, so these lines are coming out perfectly straight. If you're drawing this on a paper, you should be using a ruler. That way you can reach a level 4. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to continue to join all of the different vertices here of the shape to the top vertex, just like that. Whoa. All right, only 2 more to go. And once I've connected all the vertices to the top vertex, I have a 3-dimensional shape. Okay, well, looking like a 3-dimensional shape on a paper. So there's my pyramid, so my hexagon-based pyramid. So your job today is to draw all of the different shapes that I have here. Okay, and you're going to use the same method that I used over here. You're going to draw the base first, if it's a pyramid, and then draw a little dot for a vertex and connect all the corners. And if you're trying to draw a prism, you would draw 2 faces and just connect all the corresponding vertices. Okay, so what I'd like you to try and draw today, let me get rid of the ones we used as an example. I'd like you to try and draw, let's take a look here. Let me get rid of that one. Let's draw a pentagon-based pyramid. Okay, so you would draw your pentagon, then you would draw a dot to represent the vertex at the top, and then join all the vertices to that top vertex. Let's draw a square-based pyramid. Let's draw a pentagon-based prism. We just did a square-based prism. Let's draw a rectangle-based prism, a triangle-based prism, and a hexagon-based prism. A little bit out of focus there. All right, so that's the homework for tonight. Have fun. Another icon beat. Mr. G's class, online learning, school closure. Let's go. This is Mr. G's class.